Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the GMC Yukon entertainment system. This advanced system is designed to keep everyone entertained and connected on the road. It features a large, intuitive touchscreen in the front, along with available rear seat displays for passengers. You can easily power on the system by simply starting your vehicle or by pressing the dedicated power button located on the main console. It's built for convenience and enjoyment. The front console is your command center, featuring a large, responsive touchscreen. From here, you can effortlessly manage your audio, access the integrated navigation system, and adjust various vehicle settings. Choose from a wide array of audio sources, including AM/FM radio, satellite radio, or your own connected devices. The intuitive interface makes finding your favorite music or plotting your next destination incredibly simple and straightforward. For passengers in the back, the GMC Yukon offers an excellent rear seat entertainment system. They can enjoy their favorite movies or play games on the two available high-definition screens. These screens support various inputs, including HDMI and USB, allowing for easy connection of external devices like gaming consoles or media players. A dedicated remote control provides independent operation, ensuring everyone has a personalized experience. Staying connected is simple with the Yukon's advanced features. Easily pair your smartphone via Bluetooth for hands-free calling and seamless audio streaming. The vehicle also offers a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing up to 7 devices to stay connected to the internet on the go. Furthermore, you can personalize various system settings, from display themes to audio preferences, ensuring your entertainment experience is perfectly tailored to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.